Hi, this is Akash Arora from IHM Chennai, BSc third year. And firstly, I would like to thank to Karamat for sending this amazing hamper. Karamat is an Ahmedabad-based company which is working in making every home-cooked meal taste like a restaurant one. And today we are going to make Paniaram Tandoori Rool with the help of this Karamat Shahi Kebab marinade and dosa sambar mix. For our Paniaram, we will be needing Karamat dosa mix, baking powder, some curd. In this package, we have around 200 grams of the mix, but we will be needing only 100 grams of the mix for making our Paniaram. Now in this, we will be adding around 50 grams of the curd. A pinch of baking powder, salt as per taste, and adding a little water at a time to make it a smoothie like consistency. Remember to mix in only one direction only so that we will aerate this mixture. Firstly, we will start with our Paniaram mix. After half an hour, now we will be adding our onion mixture to the Paniaram mixture. Lightly brush it with mustard oil. Let this cook with a lid on for Now we will start with making our sheet for the roll. For this we will be needing our leftover Karamat dosa mix, that is 100 grams of Karamat dosa mix, 8 tablespoon of all purpose flour, 8 tablespoon of corn flour, salt as per taste, a pinch of baking powder, 2 teaspoon of curd, a cup of water. Now we will stir it in dosa batter consistency. Make sure there is no lump in it. We will be adding 1 more cup of water to make it like dosa batter consistency. Now we will give this rest for about half an hour. Or if you take one sheet first, then you apply after the video. So you don't go with it. Then another week onions. Some peppers. Now we shall start with our plating.